Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to enter a trade directly from your TradingView desktop platform. Whether you're new to trading or just curious about how to make the most of TradingView's streamlined features, you'll be able to confidently place demo trades by the end of this video, so you can practice and sharpen your skills before going live. Let's jump right in. So to start, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account using your browser. Once you're in, focus your attention toward the bottom section of the platform. You'll notice a tab labeled Trading Panel. Think of this panel as your mission control. This is where all your trading tools and broker connections are managed. Now, the first decision you'll make is choosing which broker you want to connect to TradingView. You might see several options depending on which brokers you've set up, but for today's demonstration, we're going to keep things simple and select paper trading. Paper trading is a fantastic practice tool. It lets you simulate real trades using virtual money, so there's zero risk while you learn how everything works. Click on the paper trading option, then hit the connect button. If this is your first time, don't worry, TradingView will guide you through a quick connection setup and you'll be ready to go in no time. Next, we'll pick the asset you want to trade. Look for the symbol search bar. This is usually at the top of your TradingView workspace. Here, you can type in the name or ticker of almost any stock, currency pair, or crypto you want to analyze or trade. Maybe you want to try trading Apple stock, or you're feeling adventurous and want to look at EUR/USD. Just type it in and select from the drop-down list. This flexibility is great because it lets you practice with whatever market you're interested in, all in one place. Once you've chosen your symbol, let's move to trade execution. You'll notice at the bottom of your screen, or sometimes at the top if your layout is different, there's a clear trade button. You might also spot traditional buy and sell buttons, but let's stick with the main trade button for clarity. Click on that and a new order window will appear. Now, TradingView gives you two views for placing orders, Order and DOM, which stands for Depth of Market. For beginners, it's best to stay in the Order tab. It's straightforward and easy to understand. Here, where you can choose whether you want to buy or sell the instrument you picked earlier. Not only that, but you can also pick the order type, market, limit, or stop. If you want your order to execute immediately at current prices, go with a market order. If you want to specify your own price and wait until the market reaches it, you'd use a limit or stop order. Don't worry if these concepts sound new. I encourage you to experiment with them in paper trading mode until you're comfortable. Further down, you'll set the number of shares or units you wish to trade and the total amount. Remember, with paper trading, you can test out different position sizes to see how your account balance changes. This is invaluable practice before risking real money. Before you finalize anything, TradingView offers you a handy way to set a take profit or stop loss. That's your way to control risk and lock in gains. Even if you're just practicing, get in the habit of using these tools. It'll make a huge difference to your confidence when trading live. Finally, double-check all your order details. If everything looks good, simply click buy or sell and then send the order. You'll get an immediate confirmation and you can watch your position unfold in real time. That's it. You've just placed your first trade directly from TradingView desktop. Remember, this process is the same whether you're paper trading or working with a live broker, so practicing now sets you up for success down the road. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions, maybe about order types or other TradingView features, drop a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward trading tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy trading.